Going on? What's going on, people? It's your boy Aristotle. Y'all know the drill. Comment and tell me where you from. Tell me where you from, folks. How's it going? How's it going? Your boy Aristotle, full throttle, R with the raw. Y'all bring the party. So what we got? We got Boston, NYC, Corpus Christi, Texas, all of that. Okay. That what's up? Oh, nah, y'all going crazy. So y'all know what time it is. VA. Let's go. Your podcast inspired me to start my channel to help motivate others. Keep it up. Great work. That's what's up. Let's get it. Charleston, Texas, Savannah. So you already know we have another episode of Stock Sundays 4-4. It's your boy Aristotle. I made some money last week. I made I don't even know, maybe 30 grand-ish. So yeah, we're gonna get into it, folks. Let me hop into this Discord. Yeah, we're gonna get lit, folks. All right, so I'm on a cruise, so you guys bear with me as I set this bad boy up. All right. We're gonna do secondary display. There we go. Now we can see it. You guys can see my screen and everything now. All right. So I'm in Turks and Caicos right now. Just left pretty much. I see y'all talking where y'all from and everything from the Chewy play. That's what's up. Oh yeah, by the way, we went crazy on that Chewy play. We went absolute nuts on Chewy. So shout out to everybody who's tapping in for Stock Sundays. About to get started. Got my screen shared. We can hop right into it. So first thing first, we want to check BTC, Bitcoin. All right, so as I stated the last time I checked was that we're going to, bear with me, my Wi-Fi is terrible. So yeah, once this Bitcoin chart loads, there it goes. So right now we're rejecting, we have like a triple top here, 1, 2, 3. So whenever you have multiple rejections, this thing could come down and retest. Hopefully it gets back to the 40,000s, 35,000. If it does, especially in the 30K range, it's going to be a boat loaded. 40K, even if it gets to 40K, that would be awesome. But yeah, the boat will be loaded. Let's get to SPY. SPY. All right. So I'm doing it on an iPad. So as I stated last Stock Sundays was when we were doing it. Let's restart chart view. So as I stated last Stock Sundays, what was going to happen? We had a bearish engulfing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so yeah, we had a bearish engulfing last Stock Sundays, and I was telling people this thing could literally go up and then come down. So I predicted that no matter what, we were coming down, and I was right. All right. Now, this could keep going a little bit. This could be the start of a pullback so far based on technicals after we broke this support. This could be the start of a pullback, but we also have to use our MAs to see where the stock stopped. So it didn't stop at the, okay, so it's past the 21 EMA. Let's look at the 50. It's at the 50 MA, folks. See that? See how I had to go use my MAs real quick? Oh, wow. Let me get this off real quick. See that, folks? So this purple line is our 50 MA. And right now, SPY, the stock market, is stopped at our 50 MA, this purple line. So that's something to take heed to, folks. Now let's go look at the history of it using the 50 MA and where has it ever stopped anything? Not necessarily. I mean, no real great technical bounces. So the 50 MA is kind of weak, except right here. This is what, 2021 when it pulled back to the 50 and kept going. So right now we are at the 50 MA on SPY. So that's something to watch out for. And you guys see, by the way, guys, I am on a cruise right now. So today I'm on the Virgin cruise. So we're going to do a scarlet party. Everybody got to wear red. So how I look, folks? I look good. I look good. I look good. Let's get it. Everybody hit the like button. Everything. But yeah, that's first thing first that I see. And let's go over. So if I had to say my prediction for SPY, if it loses this 50 MA, let's see, below 509, it could, you know, come down, and it could not stop until it fills this gap. So if we do lose 509, it could be a gap fill in this 503, 497 range. This little sits $5 range here. We still have a gap here. And what is a gap, folks? A gap is basically when the market has great news, it gaps up. So on this day, the market gapped up. So really the gap is about right here. So on this day, the market gapped up. And this is where no contracts are traded, right? So this thing could possibly come to fill this gap if it loses this 50 MA. Just a heads up, folks. Now remember, folks, we never know where. Now sometimes it is where I'll be like, okay, this is going up. Like for instance, McDonald's. Like McDonald's, when I draw boxes, I am certain this thing is going up. Like with Apple. Oh snap, they can't see my screen, I'm tripping. How you know? Oh yeah, my fault, folks. Let me do that again. SPY. So here we go, folks. Let's do it again. So this is the gap. The gap right here. And this is where no contracts are traded or shares are traded. It's usually after hours, boom, a gap up. So we gapped up. If this loses 509, it could come and close this gap. All right. Yeah, my bad, folks. I'm sorry. I'm on a cruise. I've been drinking, partying, doing all that. So bear with me, folks. Doing stock Sundays. Still can't leave you guys behind. QQQ. This is in the middle of nowhere. But so as you can see, it has a range. So it has to break this range either up or down. All right, folks. It has to break this range either up or down. I'm so busy showing my outfit off, baby. I'm so clean. I was like, man, fuck stock Sundays. I'm showing off my outfit, right? Do it again. Just playing. But yeah, folks. Let's get back into the stock that I see. McDonald's. So McDonald's is one of my favorite setups. It's almost at this third touch trend line. I want it to come down just a little bit. So at 265, but I'm already kind of averaged in. But McDonald's would be my favorite setup for reasons like this, like so. Let me get rid of this 50 MA. So I don't know why you guys eat this, but yes, you guys still eating this. So I'm just playing. I eat fries still from McDonald's. I'm not going to be a hypocrite, but still, yeah, McDonald's still is one of my favorites. It could come down just a little lower to 265-ish, 264. That would be even better, but that would be my favorite. It was one more setup that I was like, okay, I really, really like. Let's find it. All I gotta do is go down my watch list. Let's see. Let's go down my watch list. It was, I think it's Adobe. Yeah, Adobe would be one that I was watching when I was just charting earlier. I like how, so it's almost at the 61.8 pullback. Almost. Adobe I'm liking. Let's see if it's near the 200 MA. Nope. This thing isn't anywhere near anything. I would say McDonald's would be my favorite. I don't have like really like, you know how I usually have 3 setups that I really, really like? Apple was one, but I missed it because of my birthday. pissed that I missed it. We got in Chewy though, but I did remember when I told you guys. Who remembers when I said buy Apple here? I've been saying buy Apple here for the last 3 stock Sundays in a row, and this thing shot up, came back down, and it in this box area, and this line is exactly where I wanted to buy it, and I missed the entry. Like, this was crazy. Like, this was a crazy day, and it's crazy because that day I caught Nike, so we weren't even tripping because Nike had gapped up. We got in Nike down here, and Nike gapped up here, so we were happy. And I said that too on Stock Sundays. We got in Nike as well. So who guys remember Nike? Yep. So Nike is one we got in, and then Chewy. You guys know about Chewy. I called this on Stock Sundays. I called this thing at the bottom here, and this thing went all the way up here. We made over 100%. This is my take profit target. That's crazy. It went exactly where I wanted it to go, and it could continue, folks. So I literally wanted to get out of Chewy here, and I did. I got out of full Chewy here. So yeah. So yep, they said, yeah, you said it. Caught 100% that morning. I got in, bro. Appreciate it. I'm up 60%. Nice. Thank you, guys. I turned 28. Made 2K off night. That's what's up. Lulu. I like Lulu still. So Lulu is a, you know, it's down. You know, this one of those stocks that's gonna make you average down a little bit. But to me, it's still holding this trend. And it's just one day. You see that? This trend? And it's just a one-day breakdown. So don't get discouraged. It's still holding this trend. And it's oversold heavily, like 18 on the RSI. So it's probably going to have a very, very strong bounce. I'm going to be honest with you. That's what I personally predict. I looked at Lulu's chart. Here we go. Lululemon's finances. If it'll pop up on Yahoo Finance. So here we go. You can see it real good here. So look, Lulu returns. These are, I guess, athletic wear. Year-over-year profit. So to make things simple for you guys, all numbers are in thousands, and you got to add 3 zeros to every number that you see. So there you go, folks. And then quarterly statements. Quarter-over-quarter return did way better last quarter than it did this quarter. So this is a simple, in my opinion, correction. This thing should go crazy from here. Think about it, folks. It's sinking on the chart, but it's growing in profits. One more time, folks. It's sinking on the chart, but growing in profits. We should call that a fundamental divergence. You get what I'm trying to say? So that's not an indicator to buy the dip. I don't know what is. Very profitable company. You got to add 3 zeros to every number you see. So 58 million, 588 million. My fault, I said 58 million. 975 million. Well, they did go down a little bit right here, but came back up the next year. So they doing pretty good. Yeah, somebody said I got in at night. They said this is how millionaires make friends. Take profits on night 100%. I love it. Check these people out. They flexing. They said they took profits on Nike 100%. Let's go. We ate. I'm up 80% on Nike, 17% on McDonald's. Loving it. Loving it, folks. Loving it. And I'm using my iPhone camera, by the way, so that's pretty dope. So this is, if I could show you guys the setup I'm using right now to create this show. I got my iPhone camera, and then I'm sidecarring the iPad. So this is a great travel setup, I must say. So yeah, I would say Lulu and McDonald's would be the best ones. Adobe, kinda a little bit. I like Adobe, but I like Lulu and McDonald's for, I don't even know what I just typed in. How you spell Adobe? ADBE. Okay. Let me go. Let me get you guys share the screen again. Don't worry, folks. I'm sharing the screen. But yeah, so yeah, Lulu and Adobe. Adobe, maybe it has bullish divergence on the on the RSI. Somebody said I'm up more than 100% in that Apple play you called last week. Yeah, I did call Apple on Stock Sundays, but not on, I didn't get in it, unfortunately. Took profits on night, 350% on night. Nice. I love it, folks. I love it. Hey, what's up, bro? I got a question. How long did it take you to become profitable? So here's the thing, folks. And people ask me this question all the time, and I'm going to bring this question up here. All right, folks. So he asked me, how long does it take me to become profitable? It's subjective to the information that you receive. So if you receive the correct information, it could take you. I learned that if I had to answer that question, that's how I answer it. It's subjective to the right information. You could be profitable in months if you have the right coach. It'll take you years just trying to wing it and learn it off YouTube. It'll take you years, and that's the honest truth. All right. Well, now you have Stock Sundays. Somebody real doing it. By the way, here is what we have, folks, this week. Nothing really serious this week. A few data points. We have retail sales Monday, nothing on Wednesday and Friday. Looks like an open week to trade, so I might want to day trade on a week like this when there is no CPI. Let me see, economic index, home sales, weekly unemployment. I mean, it's not really going to affect anything. As long as we don't got CPI and FOMC. When you're looking at this, folks, what you're looking for is CPI, consumer price index, or FOMC. Those are the major things that move, major data points that move the market. But other than that, I don't really see anything. Tesla is kind of in this little range, but it looks like it's still going up. Amazon, Apple was the one last week, toward the end of last week. Sick, I didn't, I would have gotten that if I was watching. But I told you guys for Stock Sundays, and there's really nothing else that I see. So if you guys are not in the Discord, and by the way, we went crazy for the small account challenge. Went absolutely nuts. So I made 10K last week in one day, but I made way more than that. I made a couple thousand every time. I just kept showing people my gains. But yeah, Chewy we ate, Nike we ate, and everybody ate last week. I mean, like, you could just, I could scroll down these gains all day. Like, who is this? Account up 17%. So make sure y'all tap in. If you're on YouTube live, check this person out. Doing real good. 1,700. So like I said, folks, if the next pandemic happens, how will you pay your bills? These people are paying their bills. All right, folks. So it's only $35, $5 a day. Tap in, link in the description, or we'll pin it in the comments. This person account is up 270% in one day, folks. So yeah, Apple calls went nuts. Look at that, 270%. Who is this? Their account is up 30%, $903. So tap in, folks. Don't miss out. We have a beginner's course for anybody who wants to sign up. Go to the read first, follow the 6 steps. We have a beginner's course. Everything. This all you really got to do. For everybody who wants to come in and learn fast, come to the chat, go to the read first. It'll be in the welcome. It'll be at the top. Scroll down, go to read first, follow the 6 steps. For everybody like, what should I do? This is beginners friendly. You will literally be ready to trade in like literal days. So for everybody like, how long does it take? I have the information to get you ready fast. Think about it. Look at my results. Look at my results, folks. Another result. Who else can show testimonials every week? Every week I come in here and I show you guys what my members are making, and they're coming straight from Stock Sundays. Here's another thing too. These are the gains from the people who's watching this show. I'm not even joking. Like, this person is 9 times out of 10 came from this show. Apple calls, nice. So a lot of people did get an Apple in our chat, so that's dope. And on my birthday, we ate. Somebody said, in Webull, my Nike is up. 100% Apple in retirement account up 1K. Look at all these people talking this big money. I love it. He said, hell of a day. He said 2K on Friday, hell of a day. Everybody making money. Everybody making money. That's what's up. Oh yeah, Starbucks. Starbucks will be my last. That's the one. Thanks. Starbucks, Adobe, and thank you for the person who said that. I'll even show it. Thank you for reminding me, bro. I knew it was one I was missing. One last play, folks. Don't use Adobe. Lulu, Starbucks, McDonald's would be my top 3. So one more time, folks. One more time. Lulu, Starbucks, McDonald's. Lulu, Starbucks, McDonald's would be my top 3 that I would say are worth buying the dip. Why Starbucks? Starbucks is overbought, or oversold on the RSI. Has this nice little support area. So yeah. Something's freezing, but yeah. That's why I like Lulu, Starbucks, all of this stuff right here. Ooh. But yeah. Starbucks is another one, like I said, has this trend line right here. Right now, my computer is doing a little bit of slow stuff. But yeah, that's why I like it. Let me see if I can come up here to the top. It's tripping now. But yeah, you guys see why I like Starbucks. We have that trend line right there, that white support line. I see it bouncing off there. And that's pretty much it, folks. Make sure y'all tap in, come into the chat, come get this money, and we will show you how to get this money. Hold on. I think I'm skipping some stuff. Ooh, check this person out. Making 100%, 200% on some calls. I joined about 3 weeks ago and already made about 1,300 starting small. Happy birthday to you, many more. Check that out, folks. This person joined 3 weeks ago. So it's only $125 a month. Within a month, this person has made 10 times her ROI. That's the most we'll ever charge in 1 month. All right. So there you go, folks. So we got Starbucks, Lulu, everything. Make sure y'all tap in. It's your boy Aristotle. Come join the chat. You have nothing to lose. You're basically in free because the ROI I'm going to give you is worth it. So for everybody like, why would I pay you this per month? Well, I can show you how to get some money. That's the whole point. All right. So tap in. Make sure y'all tap in. It's your boy Aristotle. God bless y'all. I'm about to enjoy my cruise. We got a red party, so everybody wearing red. So make sure y'all check out my Instagram story because I might post some crazy stuff on there about how I'm just so lit. Anyways, see y'all later. God bless. Tap in. Don't forget.